So hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Researcher Professional. So after a long time, we are came back again. Some like previous videos, what we had done called like round layers. Is one of my client was demanding with the same round layer haircuts without any cut and bangs. So these times I brings back something like a different technique after the round layer haircut. I hope you all are understand the previous videos and you all are good too. After a long time I'm good to meet you all again with the new trend haircuts. So we'll be explain on this video step by step each and every sections and each and every cuts how we're going to be start. Let's get started to the video. So if you really new to my video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Will brings back every time such different content with education videos for every time and each and every students. So I'm explaining help up to the comb with all the sections. So first back section we're going to start the before going to give a layers. We're just going to be add one length basic which is called fundamental of basic length. But top of that we are going to be create the layers can be make something ambience changer. And my client requirement the good density she have, but unfortunately she had something thinning hair in between, so unwanted damaged hair she want to remove with existing healthier hair towards a create proper finishing up to the layers. So that's a regard I choose with round layers is one of the best and ultimate haircut for it. So finally I pick from the center profile. I'm just going to be give a guideline with all the sides to distribution up to the layer haircut with all the sides for step by step. The first sections we got to give in a guidelines and splitting the section as a guideline with the both the sides, and left side I'm just going to be finishing with vertical sections towards 110 to 120 degree with all the hairs. We're just going to be give a layers. One section will be going to be finished as soon as possible. And sure, when we are starting to the haircut, most probably have to pick thin sections and add layers specifically on particular areas. And after that I'm cross checking in one section. After that I'll come to another side with following the previous guideline and going through the carry forward on guideline with another side fresh hair to cutting up existing parts to the towards creating on layers. So hope you all are understanding this video. If you really like my video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends. If you have any doubts and questions, please comments below. I'll definitely reply for back that. And each and every haircuts I will bring something different ways, and everyone's too easy to access and learn the haircut techniques at all. And after that too, the second section also I'm cross checking. And finally I come to the side portion. Before starting to the layer, I'm just going to be give with one length basic. One length basic it will be mandatory, which can be you carry forward of any layers. After that I just pick with existing previous guidelines and rest of the hair merging in the side portions. The thin section I'm just going to pick and adding the layers. So hope you all are good in this time I brought back. So after long time is between so gap on the videos because there's so many things got pending. That's why unfortunately unable to come for session after the haircut techniques and all like new education's haircut videos. From now will weekly I'll try at least one video to upload for you. So after that it's another side with same technique previously what I done the same way. I'm just going to follow on the section by section. After that I'm cross checking that too. So finally we're going to be releasing on the crown two sections. That is a major section I picked from the center profile. I am taking stationary guideline from the existing previous exactly the crown portion and merging towards the layers of center of the crown at 90 degrees all hair. In this time we are just merging in the center of the crown, just slightly bit overlapping with both the sides, which can be visible more voluminous and like something like bouncy hair and stunning more look. We can just see in it's already is in being of short trials, and end of the day also going to be see with how it will be overall the haircut tricks and following as for playing down with the complete of the haircut. After that I'm cross checking it one side to one side. After that I came to another side. The last section I'm just going to finish up to the cut. After that I'm cross checking. So my cut got finished finally. I'm just going to be start the blow dry section by section, as it is with spiral blow dry with each and every haircut I used to do hair following. Fortunately I'm getting with short haircuts, so I was eagerly and excitedly looking for in future like wolf haircut and long your favorite butterfly layer haircut also I'm just willing to launch, and trends and layers and feather forward layers also. So one of the ultimate layers which we going to be launched, and that's already is launched as well. And sure for the future I'm just going to be show you step by step with the different cuts after the techniques which we launch with probably with the new haircuts. And I come to the side portions. The back two portions is got finished. I'm just going to be give it side portion with spiral blow dry. The step by step with each and every sections we're bringing up to the more volume at up to the sections, because the haircut after finishing visibles is more volume and denser hair and looks so more shinier and healthier and compared to before. And another side also came. The only the two crown section is got pending. The rest of the side is going to be finished faster. I hope you all are understand the video. If you really have any doubts and questions, please drop me the comments below. I'll definitely looking forward for that. If you really like my video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends. And if you really want to follow my Insta and Facebook page, please go through the descriptions I mentioned in the all the links in below. Please go and follow us in Facebook and Instagram as well. The last section will be going to finished. After that, this is a complete up to the final finish after the haircut. So you can see with how much flexible and shiny our hair. I hope you all are liked the video. So this is a complete after the voluminous and bouncy look on the complete of a haircut. This is one of the best ever seen haircut which we done on round layers. So ultimately it's really looking good, and after the haircut I'm just going to give it the texture. all the haircut is got finished, and after that I'm just releasing with complete up to the sections. So this is my final look. Hope you all are understand and enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For more links, you can just go to the description below. We mentioned on Facebook and Instagram page. Follow us on there also for more updated videos. Will we meet up to the next video? Until, take care and be safe.